Let us look at how I first began to realize there was something called plant blindness which needed a cure. The story began when niece number 1 awoke, strolled into the kitchen, and seeing the pomelo on the kitchen table asked what it was. I was surprised. I had bought the pomelo on her visit to Malaysia, as she had mentioned eating and liking the taste of the pomelo. Of course, when someone says they like something, I assume that they know what it looks like, but apparently I was wrong. Niece number 1 looked vague as she said, "It's not like the one I ate. Pomelos are these transparent-like fruit." It struck me then, niece number 1's pomelo was only the inner edible portion. Not wrong, but I couldn't help laughing at the incomplete knowledge. Niece number 1 is not alone in not knowing much about the sources of the fruits and vegetables she eats. An Australian survey showed that the majority of children did not know that bananas grew on plants or that mint grew on the ground. And I'm pretty sure if Malaysian children were surveyed, we will see similar results. Work or school pressures and indoor and virtual recreational options seem to have taken away our ability to see and appreciate the nature around us. So much so that educator botanists James Wondersee and Elizabeth Schussler in 1998 gave a name to this characteristic, that is plant blindness. And I, in spite of laughing at niece number 1's inability to identify the whole pomelo fruit, am ashamed to say that I would not recognize the whole pomelo tree. But I want to reduce my plant blindness, as a positive relationship exists between a person's nature-related place identity and well-being. In the coming weeks and months, I will try to expose the identities of the plants in my environment, that is Nilai Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. If you want to come along on this journey of exposing plant identities, be ready for a challenge, as no two plants look exactly the same, just like you and I don't look alike, and different species look similar. In the meantime, perhaps you can share your ideas in the comment section on why it is important to identify the plants in our environment. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, do press any or all of the icons shown, which can be found below the video.